Guys, welcome back to the Always in the Mountains YouTube channel. Today, me and my brother Ryan are just bike riding. We're gonna go to Cabela's, which is like really far out from our house. And we're gonna go get some fishing stuff so we can go fishing later. Here's Ryan. Hello. Can't see you. Well, we'll see you guys at Cabela's then. Okay, let's go to fishing now. Ryan, help me find like 30 or like $30-$40 worth of fishing supplies.
Okay. Where should we get started? I really want to look at...
You think these would be good for trout?
Yeah. I like one side of the I think
this would be good for me?
Yeah, try it.
Okay.
Wait, let's see if these ones are...
Hey, could you hold my helmet or put it in my backpack?
Yeah, I got you. I'll hold it.
Okay.
No, maybe these ones are cheaper. No.
They have no label on them.
Yeah, that's weird.
And they feel weird. You think some power bait or something?
I'm looking at these.
Oh yeah, I heard those things are good.
They get a little pack.
Tiny pack.
I'm looking at
This, you think this color would be good for trout?
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe the white would be better.
You could get two.
Okay, somewhere around over here. You think any of these would be good?
I don't know. It's up to you. I want you to pick my stuff. Hey, these might be good. I don't know. These are like the ones we were looking at, but cheaper.
Get these.
Get these. How much is it?
$3. What are these?
They got some hard lures over here. They got Rapalas. They've got the like the massive Rapala. $20. They have hard baits over at the other aisle. Okay. Get everything you think I would need for fishing. Like bobbers, maybe.
That's $3. That'd be good. That'd be a pretty nice set.
Yeah. That's a nice bobber. Actually, give me my helmet. I'm just gonna put all my stuff in the helmet. These are big spoons. $31 for that.
Jeez.
Expensive.
Yeah, but look at that. That's like the whole. Let's see what that's so. That's it. Okay, maybe a rooster tail.
A rooster tail, you think?
That's pretty cool, rooster tail.
Oh yeah, I saw that one online. Looks like a bee. It's kind of big.
Okay, yeah, that is a little bit.
Maybe the one above it, Ryan.
Yeah. What about these ones are a little cheaper.
Yeah.
That's rooster tail.
That's the Rooster Tail Company. These are Bass Pro Shop brand.
Okay, let's go with the.
What is this thing?
Some weird looking. Let's go with the green one.
Oh.
I'm gonna have to set up when we're done. Water frog.
A topwater frog.
Get this one.
You think I should have that?
Definitely, bro. It pops.
Okay, let's go check out. Okay, so we were just looking at the stuff we got. So right here we got these Bass Pro Shop stuff, you know. So this is all we got. But yesterday when we were fishing, right, there was like a dust devil. I was just telling a story, you know, there was a dust devil. And all of Ryan's stuff got taken by the dust devil. So you can have all of this, Ryan.
Bro, really?
Yeah, for real.
Bro, really?
Yeah, you can have it.
You're messing.
No, you can have all this. That's why I had you pick it out.
Are you messing with me? Bro, I'll give you.
No, you don't have to give me anything. You can just have them. Because a lot of your lures and stuff got taken away.
Bro, really? That's crazy.
So,
I was.
so now you can have all this stuff to fill up your tackle box.
Bro, really?
Yeah.
And you got me the fish?